My dad gave me a calculator.
This here is a square.
Now I can
The area for the square will be a times a because the square has the same sides. Hello, Boxy. Yeah. Now we have a purple square on the side there, which is a cutout from the bigger square. And its area will be b times b. So let's put the area for the bigger square on the side. The area for the smaller purple square will be on this side. We can rewrite the expressions for the areas. So the area for the bigger square, bigger dark square, will be a squared. But the cutout will be b squared. The cutout is a subtraction. So we can label this as a squared minus b squared. Let's rearrange to get this cutout portion. So we'll zoom this out a bit. And then rearrange them to indicate the subtraction. So this is the square, the bigger square, and we'll put a subtraction sign to show that they are subtracting. So this new area is actually a squared minus the b squared, which is the cutout portion. Hey, Boxy. Yes. So we subtract, we use the expressions of the squares. So it's now a squared minus b squared, which represents the same as a times b minus b times b. Let's change this new shape into a regular shape. We're going to try to change it into a rectangle instead of a square. Notice that the remaining portion of that side is a with a cutout of b. That's why you have minus b. The other side is b. The length of that small cutout is b. The breadth of that small cutout is still b because it's a square. So we take this a minus b and then rearrange it to fit with the rest of the shape, so that we get a regular shape instead of that weird looking shape. So this is a rectangle. Now notice that the side of this a minus b side is b. So we would rewrite this by placing the b on the side of a minus b, which represents a new addition. Remember that the longer side is still a, as you see here. So it means there has been a new addition. And on that other side there's been a subtraction. So the new addition is the side of b. So we'll just put a plus b together as the new side of the rectangle. Next, you have a minus b on the other side. So notice that we have changed the square and its cutout, the cutout region of the square, into a rectangle. And this new area will be the length a plus b times the breadth, which is a minus b. So just place the a plus b length there, and the other side is a minus b. So guess what our new area is? It will be the length a plus b, put that in a bracket, multiplied by b, a minus b, multiplied by a minus b. So let's just place them into the brackets, multiplying each other. So a plus b, and then we have a minus b in the other bracket. Yes. And notice that the relationship is multiplication. So we have two ways of getting the expression for the cutout square. It's called the difference of two squares. And a squared minus b squared is the difference of two squares. And another way of expressing it is the new side length times the new breadth, a plus b times a minus b. Remember this expression, and this is what we call the difference of two squares. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe for more videos.